Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these awesome vitamin E hand creams because obviously fall's arriving and your hands are going to get very dry. So these are like awesome because these will make your hands like the smoothest hands and they won't be dry anymore. And also, if you're part of the Crazy Fam, all you have to do is subscribe, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment Crazy Fam down below, and then I'll know. So let's get started. So what you will need is some Vaseline and some vitamin E cream and this baby lotion, a bowl and a scale, a spoon, and this thingy-mabobber with these thingies that go in there to make it like the hand cream really nice and smooth without these little bumpies from Vaseline. You're going to put in 60 grams of Vaseline, which is also 2 ounces. There we go. You're now going to put in 240 grams of baby lotion, which is also 8 ounces. You're going to need 110 grams of vitamin E cream, which is also 4 ounces. So let's put this baby in. You're now going to mix it with a spoon to get it like kind of mixed. And then you're going to mix it with this electric mixer to make it really fine and nice and creamy so there won't be any lumps in it from the Vaseline. As you can see here, you can see those little bumps and those are all unmixed Vaseline. So now I'm going to go ahead with my electric mixer and mix it with that. I'm now going to mix it. We are now going to fill the hand cream in these 2 containers. And on to the next container. And on to the next container. I'm now going to label these vitamin E cream so we will not get these mixed up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed making it. And now my hands are going to be nice and soft and not as dry as they were before. See you next time.